So this is the problem of the day. Uh, we have been given a binary tree with n nodes, and each node can be positive or negative. We need to convert it into a new tree such that like each node new value is equal to the sum of the values in its left and right subtree. Means if I go to any particular root node and it is a leaf node, so it has no left subtree and no right subtree. So the it will be replaced with 0. It is also a leaf node, so its value will be replaced with 0 because the value of a particular node should be equal to the sum of the left subtree node values and right subtree node values. So I can say for the leaf nodes, there is no left subtree, there is no right subtree sum, so that is 0. If I go to this particular node value, if I go to this particular node, the left subtree is this 8 and right subtree is minus 4. So it is 8 plus minus 4, that is 4. So this should be replaced with 4. Okay. This is also leaf node. So this will be 0 plus 0 because there is no left subtree, there is no right subtree. So it is 0. Same here. No left subtree, no right subtree. So it is 0. If I sit here and check, the left subtree sum is 7. Okay. The right subtree sum is 5, so it is 12. If I sit here and calculate the left subtree sum, it is 4 because already I know 4, or I can calculate it 8. No, it is not 4, it is no, it is 8 plus minus 4 plus minus 2. So left subtree sum is 8 plus minus 4 plus minus 2, that is 2, and right one is 6 plus 7 plus 5. So this will be 12. This will be 18. Yes, 6 plus 7 is 13 and 5 is 18. Okay. So sitting here, sum will be 2 plus 18, that is 20. So the value will be 20 here. That means that is mentioned here in the example. 8 minus 4 4. Here it is 12, and here it is 4 plus uh, 4, which I calculated, 4 minus 2 plus 12 plus 6. So let us try to go to another example. Same here also. All the subnodes, all the leaf nodes have 0. If I sit here on the node 2, it is 4 plus 5, that is 9. If I sit here, it is minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. If I sit here, it is 11 from left side and minus 1 from the right side, that is 10. So we need to use normally for these tree related problems we use recursion. So I will create a helper function. uh, yeah, I think I will return, no need to return anything because it is a void type. So I will take a dfs root, so it will be of type void dfs node. Now I should till iteration I will reach up to node equals null. That means root equals null. Whenever I reach root null, I should just hang up. No, I want my function to return the sum also, because when I am sitting I need a left sum and right sum. So that's why I should return a int, and if I am on null then I can return 0. Okay. uh, Now I need to calculate. I'm sitting on any value. If I will calculate left sum, that is dfs of root dot left, and if I will calculate similarly the right sum, that is root dot right. After doing this, I will my root dot val, that root dot data, because here it is data, has to be replaced with the, suppose I'm sitting here, it will be equal to L sum plus R sum, that is given in the problem. uh, but what should this whole return? Because suppose I'm sitting here, sitting on the node 2, I should replace it with 4 plus 5, that is 9. But this whole function should return 4 plus 5 plus 2, because when I will sit on one and I want the left sum, that should be 11 and not just 9. So, but here I am changing the root dot data. So I will do one thing. I will take the old value, old root val, that will be equal to root dot data. So this is the old root value, because here I am changing the root dot data, and now I will be returning the L sum plus R sum plus the old root val. Even here I can replace this L sum plus R sum with the R dot data, because here that root dot data is replaced, but these are the same things. I don't think anything is left here. I calculated left sum, I calculated right sum. Old root value, because I need to return it because it will be changed. And the whole function should return the sum of the entire node. Suppose I'm sitting on this 2, I will calculate the left sum, that is 4. I'm calculating right sum, that is 5. Old root value is root dot data, that is 2. So it is 2, and root dot data will be equal to L sum plus right sum, that is 4 plus 5, that is 9. Now if I will just return root dot data, it will be 9. So I need to return 9 plus 2, that is 11, because this, whenever I am sitting on this one, I want the whole 11 value. So now let me try to run it. Okay, this semicolon is missing somewhere. Yeah, here. Yeah, we are done with the problem. So it's a basic recursion question on trees, where we calculated left sum, right sum. We preserved the old value of the root dot data. Then we modified the root dot data value with left sum plus right sum, which was asked in the problem. Because in the problem it's asked that we need to calculate the sum value will be equal to left sum plus right sum, and we should return the sum of the entire node along with the left and the right sum part. That's it.